In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate printouts in Microsoft OneNote. This method is especially useful when you want to adjust documents before printing, ensuring that everything fits perfectly on the page and appears exactly the way you need. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the page containing the printout you want to rotate. If you haven't inserted your printout yet, go to the Insert tab, select Printout, and choose the file you want to add. Once the printout appears on your page, you're ready to adjust its orientation for printing. Next, press Ctrl and P on your keyboard. This shortcut opens the Print dialog, giving you access to all the print settings, including page orientation. In the Print dialog, look for the Layout or Orientation section, depending on your version of OneNote and printer settings. Here, you'll typically see options to print in portrait or landscape mode. Select the orientation that best fits your printout. Portrait is ideal for tall, narrow documents, while landscape works better for wide content like spreadsheets or diagrams. Choosing the correct orientation effectively rotates your printout on the page for printing purposes. If you need to rotate the printout in smaller increments, some printers offer advanced settings in the Print dialog where you can adjust the rotation angle. Look for options labeled Rotate, Adjust Orientation, or Page Layout. Adjust as needed until your printout is positioned correctly. After setting the desired rotation, check other print settings such as page size, scaling, and margins to make sure everything will print neatly. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Print. Your rotated printout will now be sent to the printer exactly as configured. This method is particularly useful when preparing handouts, submitting assignments, or creating organized printed notebooks from OneNote. It ensures your printouts are readable and visually aligned, without manually adjusting the image on the page itself. And that's it. You now know how to rotate printouts in Microsoft OneNote, allowing you to quickly adjust your documents for printing. This simple tip can save time and make your notes look professional every time. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.